Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to Dogecoin, you might have noticed that we have taken a little bit more dip. You might be in fear to try to figure out, is this a time to buy or wait it out and get a bigger dip purchase? Well, if you pay attention to the crypto market, you can realize that it's not just Dogecoin that has taken a little bit of a pullback. It's actually the whole market. But when it comes to Dogecoin, there are some driving factors. First of all, Dogecoin Day or Doge Day is coming up very soon. On the other end, the market is starting to show a really positive trend and the whales are actually buying some big amounts. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge. There's a higher social engagement around the people. At the same time, more whales decide to accumulate Dogecoin. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. I know there is a lot of fear in the market right now. I mean, if you just go into the fear and the grid, you can see that from down here, now we have come a little bit closer to the center point. Now the fear is increasing, so you need to make a decision what to do. What is happening with Dogecoin? Is this the time to buy or is this the time to wait? Well, I can try to tell you guys my perspective. Now keep in mind, do your own financial due diligence, because I do not want you guys to come crying back to me. I'm going to give you my perspective. Where we are sitting right now is at 16.8 cents when I'm making this video. Now this 18 cents mark, which everyone was expecting to rebound from, you can see after we break below it, there was a little bit of recovery which pushed us above to 18.5. Then that was a little bit of resistance and then we decided to fall back, and right now 16.8 is where we are sitting. Now if you talk about the actual supports which could be playing a crucial role, right now there is a little bit of free fall for Dogecoin as there is not much support unless we get some big buying from big whales. Now keep in mind the chances of that happening right now would be slightly slim because even Bitcoin is taking a pullback. Now if you talk about the Dogecoin price, the next support will be coming close to 15 cents, which is going to be one of my entries that I will be personally buying if Doge decides to make it to 15 cents. Now I do not recommend you to do that as yourself, but do your own research. But if you do want to leverage trade at that point, I do want to tell you guys about MargX, which is a trading platform. You do not need KYC, you don't need to give your personal details, you simply just need to make an account, deposit your crypto and have leverage up to 100x. Now when you deposit your first 100 USD, you will also be given 100 USD as bonus. If you do decide to use it, that will be used for your fees. If you do want to do it, you simply just select the amount, select your coin, click on buy or sell, and then your order will be placed. And once it is placed, now you guys can see you are trading. Simple as that. If you do want to do so, the link will be in the description. Now I just want to get back to this. So right now, as I mentioned, this is a really crucial time for Dogecoin. You do need to pay very close attention to the way it is reacting to the market. As I mentioned, the whole market is in a little bit of a downtrend. If we talk about Bitcoin, it's on 66k. There is a little bit of a downfall left for Bitcoin as well because the previous support that it should be sitting on is close to 62k. Now keep in mind 62k could be the reversal zone which we have seen previously as well, but the Bitcoin halving event is in less than 15 days and that's one of the reasons why the market is so volatile. After the event is over, I have been in the market for over 6 years and every single time there's Bitcoin halving event, we see some sort of movement, what we are seeing right now. After the event is over, on the April is completed and then we go into May. That's when the market starts showing a positive trend. So if you see a little bit more pullback, do not be frightened. That's my simple answer. Now, if we talk about Doge Day, it's happening on the 20th of April. Now, that's going to be the day maybe we will be seeing a positive trend from Elon as well. He could mention something relating to Dogecoin, or X Payments can do something relating to Dogecoin as well, just mentioning, hey, Dogecoin will be added into our system and Doge Day, we're going to be celebrating doing it, and that could also have a very positive impact. Now, also talking about the overall trend, you can see the new high this quarter will be made, and the trend is pretty much simplifying, and if we get just some sort of X payments to help us push it up, you guys know it's going to go up really quickly. Now, talking about this whale, as you can see at 17.4 cents, this is a new account that was created on the 5th of April. $35 million worth of Dogecoin purchased in a single transaction. That should give you perspective. There is a lot of whales that believe that this is the perfect time to accumulate more. And this is another whale that purchased it actually last year, $22 million worth at 7 cents. And since then, they have not made a single move. Even though Doge made it to such a high number, close to 22 cents, they sold none of the holding that they have. Now, 304 million Dogecoin mysteriously moved from Binance. 7.5% drop. Now, 7.5% drop caused a lot of people to go into a panic zone, but we can still see that the whales are still not taking it in the wrong way. They're trying to see the positive side of this, and maybe this could be the perfect buying opportunity. Now, Dogecoin has struggled before, then it reached all-time high. Before reaching 73 cents, it crashed from 45 cents to 15 cents. Doge will recover to $1 very quickly, and this should give you a little bit of perspective. As I mentioned, there might be a little bit of a downtrend that we might receive, might fall down to 15 cents. But after that, the recovery will be very, very quick. Dogecoin's potential bullish turn, recent decline might turn that. Now, as I mentioned, you just need to pay attention to the supports we have right now, and 15 cents is what you need to be paying attention to. Dogecoin nears the 20 cents. Time to add Dogecoin to your portfolio. Well, we are down to the 17-cent mark, and now we're actually under the 17-cent mark as we have fallen into the 16 zone. As I mentioned, if I wake up tomorrow morning and I see that Doge has fallen below the 16-cent mark and is in the 15-cent criteria or in the territory, I would personally not be shocked. And continuum, analysts weigh in on Dogecoin's market prospect. There is so much upside left for Dogecoin. You need to just be patient, and you will see so much of a result that all of you guys were waiting for. As I mentioned before, you just need to believe, because if there is enough people believing that Dogecoin hit the dollar, then it's going to be hitting $1. Nothing will be slowing it down. Simple as that. But if you are unsure and you decide to take profit, or you decide to panic sell, that's going to cause the market to also become extremely hard to trade in. Is the new Dogecoin bull run on the horizon? I mean, personally, I feel like as long as we stay over the 15 zone mark, we will be fine. But that's what I mentioned, that's the previous support. But if it does not hit it, I would also not be surprised. It can also just make a recovery from 16.3. But that's just the assumption that it actually carries the uptrend as soon as it was doing before. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.